Princeton is the perfect getaway for young professionals and families alike. Sitting just 7 miles away from Wisconsin's deepest lake, Green Lake, and nearly 100 miles from both Madison and Milwaukee. If you like an adventure, then you'll love stepping outside in Princeton. No matter your age or activity level, you can find fun under the sun while you're here.
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
Let's start at the White River Marsh Wildlife Area, a 12,000-acre space of untouched land that's great for hiking, hunting, kayaking, and wildlife and birdwatching. Not only is this a great spot to explore, but it's a spot of cultural significance to Princeton as well.
Baby whooping cranes, chicks were raised in the marsh to follow ultralight aircraft in migration down to Florida to try to help restore the whooping crane population. The fact that whooping cranes were brought here inspired an awful lot of people. I love to come birding out here with my wife, friends, nature lovers, and wildlife lovers here. Some are bird watchers, some fish from the bridge, some hunt or trap wildlife. This has certainly been one of my favorite places to come over the years.
Another great trail just 10 minutes away is the Black Bridge Nature Trail, a stunning 1.6-mile out-and-back trail that's perfect for hikers and bikers alike.
It's a great trail to ride on. When I bike over this bridge, I think of all the people that had passed under it, hauling their furs on the Fox River, the train going to Stevens Point or Fond du Lac with their cattle. They took the rail out in the 80s. The trail is the track. It's a wonderful history. I think everybody should come and enjoy quiet solitude and biking in this community.
Another great spot is the Shamba Safari, right next door in Neshkoro. This is cool because you get your feed, you get your map, and you're just kind of in the middle of this safari with animals everywhere. And it's really just a 3-mile loop, but they have everything. Lion, tiger, hippos, giraffes. Feed is only $10 and you can feed them from the comfort of your car. Just don't do what I did. I think you're supposed to get the feed to them and then put the window up because my ostrich friend got a little friendly. No. I can't drive, he's right there. No. Okay, if you look out, there's just so many deer. I feel like I'm Snow White. I'm just in the middle of all these deer. Okay, you get this one, and then I want to give the babies some. Babies. Okay. All right, that was a blast. I survived the safari, and I'm really glad I did not get eaten. Next up, I'm headed to McCann River Outfitters for a quick lunch. I'm excited to eat. I'm also so excited to learn everything that you do here.
We're a family-owned restaurant. We also have an outfitting business. Canoe and kayaking, skiing in the winter, snowshoeing, pheasant hunting through the fall and winter. We have lodging, rooms upstairs, and then rustic cabins in the back. Our mission is to keep people in nature. Enjoy what Mother Nature has given us.
After a hearty, delicious meal like that, all I want to do is lay down and take a nap. But you can't really do that on such a beautiful day like today. Well, luckily, I just got to the ice bowl, and they have the perfect solution for me. A relaxing, sunny float down the Fox River. Are these my floaters?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, well, I say let's roll out. Should we go? All right. To the river. Let's go.
Come on, guys, let's go floating.
We all are hooked up together. This is Cole. He works here. Cole, say hi.
Hello.
Okay, how many people have you taken down the river?
Probably thousands.
Thousands?
Yeah, not daily, but
How long is the float?
roughly 3 hours.
Oh, 3-hour float.
3 hours, it's very nice. Super relaxing.
All right, we are now in a squirt fight. I didn't want this to happen, but I do have a weapon. That was so fun. I could have kept going. Thank you guys for letting me float with you. Yeah. Now what, ice cream? Oh, yeah. Okay. I can't think of a better way to end a summer day. Whether you want to hike, bike, birdwatch, go on a safari, float down the river. Heck, if you want to do all of that in one day, you absolutely can right here in Princeton. But no matter what you decide, you have to end it right here with some fresh ice cream and some sweet tunes at the Ice Bowls Summer Concert Series at the patio. Nothing beats this.
If you love thrifting or searching for one-of-a-kind finds, Princeton is the treasure trove you need to come discover. I'm here at Princeton Flea Market, which is the largest weekly outdoor market in the state. Every Saturday from April through October, people come from all over to find unique treasures and vintage finds. So let's see what we can find.
Some of these people come hour and a half one way. The vendors are really, really friendly.
The park holds 185 booths. We get to know each other. You just develop a camaraderie.
It's been fun.
And on a beautiful day like this, people can get food, drink, and all the knickknacks they could want, from clothes to signs to produce.
That's right.
Totally.
That's right. We have everything.
Next up on our treasure map, Sasquatch's Variety Shop.
You can get anything from clothing to snacks to golf balls to jewelry, trinkets. You can find lunch boxes from when you were growing up. You name it, it's here. We probably have more unique gifts than a lot of the shops. People can come in looking for specific items, and 9 times out of 10, I've got it. What we do when people come in, we make people feel like family. I talk to every single person that comes through the door. That's how you build a relationship. You let people know they're important.
And right next door is another great spot, Woolbright's River City Antique Mall. There are some large pieces here. There's hutches, there's beds, dressers, like old school stuff.
We're a full-service antique shop. We go from coins to art, furniture, to Victorian hats, jewelry, hunting and fishing, glassware, the old outfits of clothing, you name it, we probably have it in here. The fantastic part of getting off of a computer and going into a store, it's a treasure hunt. There's less and less true antique shops. We are proud to say that we are a true antique shop.
Just 5 minutes from downtown, you can find some of the most unique yard decorations around at Chief's Trading Post. Carl, this is a campus of crazy stuff.
Right.
How would you describe this?
Well, we're a place where a family can come and see things that they've never seen before. Mostly everything here is for sale.
How'd you get all this together?
My dad, the founder, he always loved the big, crazy pieces. And I found some bigger, crazy pieces to bring in here, and that's what it's all been. I love seeing people leave here with a smile on the face.
What's up? Our last stop of the day is the Amish Country Store, and on Saturdays, they offer free samples. Oh man, is that good. Amish fry pie. Bob, this is tremendous. So you sell unique goodies like this. What else do you sell here?
Princeton's Amish Country Store is the largest store of its kind in the state of Wisconsin. We've got crafts, we've got groceries. You walk into the second room, you've got a lot of gifts, freezers, coolers full of the bakery goods, bedroom, dining room, mattresses, bookcases, everything. We've actually sold Amish furniture for many, many years. They're quite good craftsmen. They have a unique lifestyle, and a lot of people don't understand that. Once you get to know them, they're just like us.
With my treasure hunt completed, I need to find a nice place to rest before I continue on my Princeton adventure. Oh, hey.
How are you?
Boy, this looks like an amazing place, very unique. What can people expect when they stay here?
We'll take care of every need that you have. There's individuals who are here just for a crazy weekend away, and then we get people that have business retreats here. They work all day, and then we bring them food. We'll provide cocktail hours, provide music, set up an entire event for you. If there's anything you need, just let us know, and we'll take care of it.
Sounds good. I'll grab my bag. There's so much treasure here in Princeton that even its hotels feel like a pot of gold. I had so much fun exploring Princeton today, and there's still so much more to discover.
One of the many things that makes Princeton a hidden gem destination is its vibrant, growing art scene. I'm meeting with Greg Wright, board member of the Princeton Art Collective, to learn all about the town's artistic offerings and opportunities.
A group of friends of ours opened this organization called PARC, the Princeton Art Collective, with the idea that we could leverage some of these resources we have, one of them being this beautiful hotel, to invite people to come to Princeton and stay and work on their art projects or share those projects with the community. In this lobby, we've had piano concerts, jazz concerts, opera concerts. We wanted the residency to be as much about supporting those artists and about introducing the community to arts careers.
Has this artist residency program helped grow the art scene in Princeton? How have you seen that?
Very much. I mean, we're going to walk around and see some murals. Again, those are all byproducts of that residency program. That's some of what we've been able to do with that, is not just bring artists from outside the community, but make the artists that are living here more visible to the community. To support your local artists, to have their work on your wall, or to have them create a video for you, or whatever it is, the more we can support and grow that local community, the stronger this whole community will be.
Are there any creative experiences or workshops that you have here?
There's a place called Soul Hammer outside of downtown. They do glass blowing, some metal work. There are other types of arts workshops they do there as well. That's probably the best venue to do that.
I'm ready to go see some stuff for myself. Can we do that?
Yeah, that sounds great.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, so our first mural is just over this way.
Oh, wow. Okay, so what is this mural?
Nick Getling is an artist from Tacoma, Washington, and he did this for us. Heavy line work, integrates a lot of beautiful colors. He did a ton of research, and everything that's in the background is actually like a true historical reference.
Well, this one is so cool. Where to next?
Well, we're just gonna go right around the corner and look at the volcano mural.
All right.
So this is Pat Perry mural. We call it 27 Teachers in a Volcano. It has 27 local teachers that were nominated by community members around the outside, and then this epic volcano in the middle. And it's supposed to represent how teachers commit their lives to helping people find purpose, even in a chaotic and crazy world.
Amazing, let's go. Oh, cool.
Yeah, and it's done by a local artist named Lauren Paradise. She lives in Montello, but is a real big part of the Princeton community. She's got this like classic European style to her work. It's such a great compliment to the French bakery here.
I mean, this place is so cute. How would you describe the ambiance and decorations here at Renard?
Yeah, so it's another great unexpected place in Princeton. The vibe is so good. There's all these references to foxes. Again, Renard's is the French word for fox, and we're on the Fox River, and that's what the French called the native people that were here. A lot of local history worked into it, and all these beautiful fox references. But yeah, it's just a really pleasant space to spend and wake up and have your coffee and pastry in the morning. And then our last stop is just this way to the Folklore Museum.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's a really cool space. They just finished it up. Put together by the Princeton Historical Society. They've gathered a lot of artifacts from the community from the 1800s through to the present day. And it's actually where we're going to be putting our last mural next summer.
Well, Greg, thank you so much for telling me and showing me all about the art here in Princeton. The murals were fantastic, and I'm so excited to check out the Folklore Museum.
Yeah, have a fun time inside. It was so great to have you here.
Awesome. After spending a little time exploring some of Princeton's folklore, I felt inspired to create art of my own at Hunting Studio Glass.
Hunting Studio Glass is a father-son company that produces home decor items that are sold around the country. Mostly decorative glass objects, large grand castings and sculptures, all the way down to functional ware like bowls and flower vases.
Can you talk about being an artist here in Princeton?
Absolutely. And Princeton is very openly loving to the fine art community. We all kind of see it as our little kind of oasis, as it were. Being able to escape the kind of loudness of the big city, metropolitan lifestyle, and really just be alone with your thoughts to kind of create these really thoughtful artistic visions.
Well, I'm so excited to do this. Princeton's art scene really blew me away. Whether you're a professional artist, an amateur looking for inspiration, or even just a fan of all things creative, you can get your fix here in Princeton, thanks to the community's strong culture and support of the arts.
Hey, who needs an alarm clock? I've got one built in, and Princeton is full of great options for treats, eats, and drinks, and they're all within walking distance. I'm gonna check them out now.
My first stop, Renard's European Bake Shop, home to some of the best pastries around.
As you can see, there's always a line here at Renard's, but I don't blame them because there are so many great breads, desserts, and pastries here. Am I drooling? I will be. I couldn't decide what to do, so I got an assortment. This Schnecken, German for snail. Look at that, how it comes apart. A little icing, great flavor. These are fantastic. I'm gonna have to get out of here. I'm gonna eat the whole store. There's a lot more to eat down the block. Hi, Sarah.
Hi there. Welcome to Princeton.
Thanks. Great to be here.
Great to meet you. Are you hungry?
Yeah, always.
Wonderful. This place is known to have a very good breakfast burrito.
Beer bellies. Let's bring mine in. Seems like there's a lot of delicious food around here. I started my day at Renard's.
Yeah.
And now we're here at Beer Bellies. What else do we have in Princeton that's really great to check out?
There's lots to offer in Princeton. We're going to go see Molly's Buckhorn Bar and Grill, and then we're going to stop at Field Blend Wines, and then we're going to end the day at Horseradish.
So you mentioned burrito.
Yeah.
That sounds like it's a good thing
Yeah,
to do.
this place is known for their burritos.
They are.
And I think it's a big one.
I think I see one.
Uh-oh. You ready?
Holy
We're
cats.
ready.
So what is all in this burrito? This is massive.
This is the bomb burrito. Fried potatoes, the egg, the cheese, the fresh pico de gallo, and whatever protein choice you want.
That's heavy.
I know. It's like 10 pounds, kind of.
Delicious though, wow.
I'm glad.
What are some of your other signature dishes here?
The buffalo mac and cheese bowl. Our whole Mexican little cantina section is really popular too.
Thank you very much. This is awesome.
Next up is Molly's Buckhorn Bar and Grill, a gorgeous riverside restaurant that's home to Princeton's annual sturgeon spawning every spring.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mercy.
Quite the drink.
The greatest part about our Bloody Marys is the bartender, of course. People love the way they look and the beer chasers that come with it. I encourage you to come if you haven't seen the sturgeon spawning. It is a sight to see. We have the seating down by the river. Come down, we serve you, we'll bring you your food, your drinks. You can also see the view right off of our deck. It's an awesome sight.
I'm almost full.
I understand. I get it. But we do have one more stop.
Welcome to Field Blend Wines. We are a natural wine store and bar. You can grab a bottle or two to go or have a glass here. When we select our wines, we only select natural wines, so no herbicides, no pesticides. So much to explore. Our wines come from Slovenia, Croatia, Georgia, Greece, Czech Republic, Germany.
What makes Princeton such a good destination for people where you can have wines like this?
Princeton is a beautiful place with fantastic energy.
It's eclectic, and you come here and you're very present. You feel embraced by the community. There's a real connectedness. I feel that throughout the whole community of Princeton.
You know, we've been eating and drinking our way through Princeton all day. What on earth could be next?
Well, might I suggest that you head on over to Horseradish Kitchen and Market, and they'll take really good care of you.
Thanks again.
Of course, my pleasure.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I've got just enough room for one more meal, and maybe a drink or two, and I'm excited to enjoy it with some nice music.
You kind of have an expectation when you come in. It's a sandwich shop, so I'll have a sandwich and a soda, and then you realize, oh, I can come in with my book and have a latte, snack later in the day. Once you start to give yourself that permission to think of outside the box a little bit, people have a real good time. What's kind of been a unifying theme since the start is to have people to come in here and have this sense of discovery, feel good and have a good time. Anybody's welcome, and now it's kind of become a destination and a place people bring important people when they're in town. It's an honor that people treat this space like this. The Sunday Sessions is our live music on Sunday nights. It's on the deck, we rearrange the furniture. It's an experience, and that's just great to see all the support for the music. We just wanted a place where we'd want to hang out and feel good, and it's fun to use this space, which lets everybody let loose, and I really enjoy that.
Princeton proves you don't have to be a big city to enjoy great cuisine, wonderful shopping, exciting entertainment, and awesome outdoor recreation. Princeton's the perfect place for your next trip. Cheers.